Lost access to Robinhood on your device but still need to log in? Here's how to use your Robinhood backup code. When you set up two-factor authentication, Robinhood gives you a backup code, a one-time use pass you can use if you don't have your phone. If you save that code, go to the Robinhood login screen, enter your email and password, then when asked for the two-factor authentication code, select Use Backup Code. Enter it and you will be logged in. If you have lost your backup code, you will need to contact support via the help center and verify your identity. Always store your backup code in a secure place like a password manager or offline note. Have you used a backup code before or did you lose it too? Let's talk security in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.